Dear viewers, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am Saeed from the Department of Library and Information Science, Ushal Khan Khatib University, Karak. As you are aware of the fact that Pakistan Librarians Welfare Organization is going to organize second PLWO International Conference titled Transformation of Knowledge Depository into Knowledge Economy from September 15 to 16, 2022 in virtual mode. Being a member of the scientific committee, I invite you all to participate and present your research papers in this academic research-based event. Indeed, this is a great opportunity for all the LIS practitioners, researchers and academicians to get benefit from this international gathering. I congratulate the organizers of the conference in advance for organizing such a mega virtual international activity in Pakistan. Allah hum sabka हामी wa nasir.